a while, grocery store employees were getting hazard pay during the pandemic, but that all ended in May. Now, the United Foods and Commercial Workers Union organized rallies demanding to bring it back. Thanks for staying up. I'm Nicole Livas. David has the night off. Workers shared their concerns with 13 News Now reporter Allison Basil outside of a Kroger in the Kempsville area.
You know, we shouldn't have to beg for this.
On the front lines and frustrated.
We wear these masks all day long in the heat, in the heat, in the heat.
Grocery store workers demanding more hazard pay right outside of a Kroger in Virginia Beach.
We are essential workers. Some of us have been here for years and we want our hazard pay.
Each worker is part of the United Food and Commercial Workers Union.
Mighty, mighty union.
Tanya Seeley says Kroger employees got 2 bonuses in April and June. They also received hero pay. It bumped their pay up by $2 an hour, but the program ended in May.
I mean, it's only $2, but $2 is a lot.
Workers say they risk a lot walking into their stores each day.
People have refused to wear a mask, but you can't make a person wear a mask.
Jane Wainwright works at a Kroger in Yorktown. She says the last 6 months have taken a toll.
We have had 1 death in our store, and we've had 4 people that have come down with the virus.
UFCW Local 400 represents 35,000 employees in the Mid-Atlantic region. Communications Director Jonathan Williams says they work diligently to track COVID cases among members. So far, they've counted 605 confirmed cases, 302 of those cases in Virginia.
What do we want? Where do we want it? Now.
In a statement, Kroger Mid-Atlantic Corporate Affairs Manager Alison McGee says they've invested more than $830 million since March to reward employees and make their stores safe. She says they continue to give employees support through benefits like paid emergency leave. Union workers say it's the hazard pay that will let them know Kroger values their sacrifices.
We had it at the beginning of the pandemic. It's still a pandemic, so we should still have our hazard pay.
And the union spokesperson tells us nationwide they have counted 103 grocery worker deaths amongst their members. Live in Virginia Beach, Allison Basil, 13 News Now.
And this wasn't the only protest over hazard pay today. Dozens of people rallied outside of the Veterans Affairs Medical Center in Hampton. Union workers say they want to see change and action. They're calling for more personal protective equipment, hazard pay, passage of the HEROES Act, and an end to systemic racism and anyone trying to undermine union workers at the Hampton VA.
Fairness and equity in the system, that's all that we're really asking for.
If the VA can't take care of its own employees, how are they going to be taking care of the veterans?
5 months ago, union workers started to voice concerns about the growing number of COVID-19 cases among veterans and staff. They tell us that issue is still a thing and cases are growing. We reached out to the Hampton VA and a spokesperson said they have no comment.